Kuringana na Muriuki Njagagua uria ni mubunge wa mbere ya Rugongo, watho uyu ungihitukio ni gucungiriria kuhaguka kwa urimi guku bururi-ini na njira nene kumana na maciaro moru ma irio migunda-ini.
Personally, I'm saying that is not possible and I'll vote against it in parliament.
Ati lazima ipimwe, lazima ifanyiwe nini? Kwa hivyo mkulima wa kawaida apate matatizo, sisi tumekataana nayo.
Oho ni amenererie riandikithia riria riho kabere kuma bodi iria bururi-ini makiuga mawatho maya ni makuna murimi moko.
There is a proposed milk bill which criminalizes small scale farmers who are in the dairy industry, that once they get their milk they cannot sell it as raw milk to end consumers, say the hotels and their neighbors, that you must sell your milk say to KCC or other big farms. Personally, I'm saying that is not possible.
Mwena-ini wake spika wa bunge ya kaunti ino Josiah Thiriku arimi ni mabatie gukuruhanio mawatho ta maya matanathondekwo niguo kumahe mweke wa kuheana mawoni mao.
Angetuuliza sisi ambao tuko kwa counties, sisi ukulima iko devolved, na kabla aanze kutangaza mambo yoyote ya ukulima angetuuliza sisi tutoe maoni yetu.
Kiuria kinene gia Thiriku ni kana aria marenda arimi kwaga kuhuthira thumu kana ni mari maheaga fertilizer, amu kugura fertilizer ni gukumarituhira kuona aingi marimaga mari na muoroto wa kuhunia bururi wothe. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV Getwo Waithira wa Kihara.